Okay, well, it's our last day here on our Smokey Mountain Vacation, day 6. We're about to go eat at the Old Mill restaurant here for lunch. Let's check it out. Give you guys another look at the Smokey Mountains here. Pretty awesome. This has been one great trip. We're here, Old Mill Restaurant. Okay, well, we got our seats here at the Old Mill Restaurant here. I gotta say, this place is awesome. It is huge. It is one of the highly recommended places here in Pigeon Forge. They started off with bringing us some corn chowder and some corn fritters. What do you think so far?
It's good.
It looks awesome. Okay, well, food is here. You want to tell them what you got?
Chicken tenders, mashed potatoes, and beans.
Those chicken tenders look amazing. Pretty awesome. I got the chicken and dumplings. I gotta say, this looks absolutely fantastic. We'll give her a review after we're done. Okay, so we just finished up our meal at the Old Mill. It was absolutely delicious. We're gonna talk more about that here in a minute. I came down these steps here, as you can see. It takes you down to the big water mill right here. We got this big waterfall. Man, this is great. Leads out to this big creek or river. I don't know what they call it. You can see there's Jess up there taking pictures. This is really awesome. It's like a giant tree here at one time. I guess it kind of broke down or they cut it down. Kind of comes out over the waterway here. This is awesome. Let's walk down. Let's walk down here a little bit, see what we see. Nice little tunnel. Maybe you could go creaking down here. I'm not going to, but man, if I lived down here, I may have to stroll down this. Give you a better look at the giant tree that I was standing on top of here. It's been tore down or broke down. Another view of the waterfall. Big water mill. I gotta say, the Old Mill restaurant here was absolutely fantastic. We're about to give a little review of it, so. Here we're underneath the Old Mill restaurant. This is where they got a lot of the posts that I guess, hold this building up. Over here's the waterfall, give you an idea where we're at. This is directly underneath the restaurant. Pretty awesome. So I'm up top here and on the bridge where Jessica was before. Show off these beautiful flowers here. Man, these are gorgeous. Come over here where we can see the waterfall. Get a big up top view here. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is a view across the bridge underneath on the other side. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Wish I'd have known this was here before. We'd have done some creaking. Somebody was waving at me there. We got right as we cross the bridge here, past the restaurant, we have the Old Mill General Store. Guided mill tours, old-fashioned fudge and candy shop. We're going to check it out. Jessica went on inside the store there. I wanted to capture some of these beautiful flowers here. I don't know what they're called. These purple ones here. They are beautiful. If you know what these purple flowers are called, leave me a comment below. Let me know. Got these pink and yellow roses. I believe those are roses. I don't know many flower names. I just know when the point out the pretty ones. Just walked inside the general store here. Need a cast iron skillet? They got them. And if you watch a lot of my shows, you know I love shot glasses. They got a lot of them. We just left the general store there, the old mill. We bought a couple souvenirs. What we're going to do is, when our vacation's over, we're going to do a little reveal of all the different souvenirs and stuff we got, because we don't want to keep showing one thing at a time. We'll show it all to you when we get back and everything. And pretty awesome. We got a lot of cool stuff. Old-fashioned fudge and hand-dipped chocolates. May have to check this one out. Okay, so we found a nice bench to sit on here and give our food review. The Old Mill restaurant. What'd you think?
It was real good.
Man, absolutely delicious. Best chicken and dumplings I have ever had. This place was highly recommended to us. I can't talk enough about it. You saw the food on the video. Everything was absolutely fantastic. She had the chicken tenders. They were good. The corn chowder, amazing. She usually doesn't like stuff like that, and I'll tell you, everything in there is home cooked. I swear this is where like the top chefs go from Cracker Barrel to this place, because it is absolutely great. We highly recommend it. If you're coming to Pigeon Forge, it's in the Old Mill District, which is another thing that's pretty awesome. They have a lot of shops back here and stuff, a lot of old time shops, stuff that you normally don't see like on the main drags and everything. It's a nice little village where you can kick back, get some ice cream. They got caramel popcorn. They have a creamery, ice creamery. I might give me an ice cream on the way out here, but just wanted to give our little food review. I think this is the best restaurant we've eaten at since we've been here. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Absolutely delicious. Big thumbs up. Okay, well, it's finally happening. We're gonna play the Crave Mini Golf course. It's rated #1 in the USA by TripAdvisor. So, pretty awesome. Yeah, this place is popping in here. As soon as you come inside, they have a giant candy store. It smells like cotton candy everywhere. What do you crave? Oh my. Well, I'll tell you what, there ain't a kind of candy in the world that this place don't have. The wall of candy. I want to point out, they got all kinds of games in here too. This is part of their indoor mini golf. I don't know which we're going to play here, but I might play the one on the roof. That seems to be the most popular. And this is the biggest gumball machine that I have ever seen. Got Dolly Parton made out of a bunch of candy here. Pretty cool. We got a little miniature bowling alley. If you bowl a 300, you get $1,000. I don't know about that. That's what they say. Okay, so we're on the first hole here. Got some candy sticks. We got one of these spinning wheel things, but we're not going to play that. No eyes closed golf for us. Hey, this one's saying to keep out. Uh-oh. How are you supposed to get over that? Oh, I see. It drops down in there. Boy, this place is too cool. Working our way up to the top. Okay, so we're up top here. Just wanted to show you guys. It's like we're in a giant candy land. Pretty awesome. Looks like a pretty cool hole here down in Candyland. Big Crave Castle. So we missed it on camera, but Jess just had a big hole-in-one.
Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah.
She's catching up. Somehow I got a 2 out of that. I don't know. She made it right in. Awesome. Okay, so we just finished the Crave golf course. Just wanted to show you guys, this is the go-kart track that I was talking about earlier in the week. It's easy to tell. It's got big signs out here. It says $750, which is pretty cheap. Not going to do it today, though. I think we're going to do a little bit of shopping, kind of relax. We're going to go over the score here in a minute.
It was really fun.
It was really awesome.
But very hot.
Yeah, we played the outdoor course. Honestly, the outdoor course is cooler as far as awesome. hotter because you go up on top of a roof. We didn't do a lot of filming. I filmed some of the obstacles and stuff, but we just kind of wanted to have fun and not have to think about recording everything. One neat thing about the Crave is there's a lot more to do in there than just the mini golf. They have a couple little bowling alleys. They have an indoor escape room, like an escape game where you got to figure out the clues to get out of the building. And it's really awesome. So what was the score?
I don't know, Boogie's
I got her again.
He win 45 and I had 53.
45 to 53. It's a tough course. It really is. It's cool. You feel like you're in Candyland when you're up there.
And the whole place smells like cotton candy.
Yeah.
Even outside.
Yeah, even outside. The whole thing. Cotton candy. You walk inside, the air conditioning's really good. Next time, we come down, we might do the indoor. The indoor is a lot smaller. Doesn't look as cool.
It was very crowded, so we did outside.
Yeah, the inside was crowded, so. But it was really nice. Had a great time. Now I think we're going to go do a little souvenir shopping and, yeah. Okay, so down here in Pigeon Forge tonight, they're having a Jeep invasion. I've never seen so many Jeeps in my life. There's a cool one. Probably going to be hard to capture here. Oh, here's one pulling into our hotel room. Got a couple down there. Wanted to show this off because there's some really cool ones. Try and get some good ones. Got to get some better lighting here. Yeah, we decided to kind of take it easy tonight. It's our last night here, so figured I'd get some of these Jeeps here for you. They call it Jeep Invasion 2020. We've seen a lot of nice decked out Jeeps here. Just a cool looking red one. There's his buddy. Oh, there's another one. There's one going by. I've been seeing a lot of these, like, not that one there, but there's been a lot of these, like, truck Jeeps. They're Jeeps that have, like, a truck bed in the back of them. I ain't never heard of those. I ain't never seen one till I came down here. This is going on Thursday through Sunday, so tonight through Sunday. We're leaving tomorrow morning, but they're all driving in. Wow, that's cool. There goes a couple more there. Oh, that one's all lit up. I'll tell you, I ran in and had to grab the camera. There was about 40 or 50 of them that were all lined up driving down. I wish I'd have had the camera. They just keep coming. There's one right there. I gotta be honest with you. I didn't know Jeeps were still a thing until this. We've seen hundreds, maybe thousands. A lot of them are pretty decked out. Here's a cool one coming up here. Driving slow, letting everybody. There's one of them truck Jeeps. It's a Jeep. It's got a truck bed on the back. That's crazy. Check this out. Yeah, they're all lined up here. They're showing off. We got people down at the bottom of the hotel here. There's a bunch of people sitting out watching it all. Cheering them on. Oh, here's a cool one. Right in the driveway here. Got some little glow sticks. That's another awesome one. It's kind of nice because right to the left up there's a light. And they have to stop, so they pile up and then they all get over and kind of show off here on the right side. Ooh, check this one out. It's jamming. Wow, that's cool. Bunch of them coming in here. All lined up. Yeah, again, if you've ever heard of these Jeep trucks, leave me a comment below. Let me know if, I'm not sure what they're called. They say Jeep on them, so they're made by Jeep. Kind of cool looking. kind of a new fashion. When we first came down here, I saw one, and I thought somebody had built it themselves. And then all of a sudden, I saw like 30 or 40 more of them, and they all look brand new. So I guess it's a new thing. Some cool motorcycles there. It is a parade of Jeeps. I got a few buddies back home. They'd probably enjoy this. I'll tell you what, this is a real happening town. It seems like they have some kind of special event going on here every weekend. This Jeep invasion is supposed to be pretty popular. Man. Pretty awesome. Boy, it doesn't stop. That's a cool one. Jeep, 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 Jeep. Too cool. Man, these are cool. Jess just came out to get a glimpse of the show here. They're all slowing down because they see a bunch of people out here. They want to show their Jeeps off. Okay, so it's the end of the vacation.
Hey.
We're happy to head back home. We've had a blast. It's been a great time. We're going to have a recap video where we're going to show off all of our souvenirs, all of our cool stuff. Sorry, we're still watching the Jeeps go by. It's pretty amazing. I'm sure the camera doesn't really do it justice. We've literally seen thousands of Jeeps coming in. Jeep Invasion 2020. Pretty cool. It's been a great week. Anything you want to add?
Nope, I have one.
Yeah, it was great. We did go to the souvenir shop, got some souvenirs. We're going to show you when we get back home. We went back to the Sweet Frog.
Yeah,
Is that what it's called? The yogurt shop that we went to in the first video, and it was really good. Sweet Frog, that's it. And it sits right next to Quality Inn here near the island. Island right across the street. We highly recommend this hotel. It's been a great stay. If you're coming down to Pigeon Forge, there is a lot of stuff to do. We've had a fun, packed week, much needed time off, and that's about it. It's been a great time. We thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe down below. And with all that being said, the adventure is out there.